Yoga is an art and science developed from South India. Nowadays, yoga is everywhere. All over the world, people are practicing yoga. Yoga is the science which makes your mind, body, and soul to be united. It's said to be in control. It's a skill in action. Yoga is said to be oneness of breath, mind, and senses, and abandonment of all states of existence. It's a path of moderation. The holistic concept of assuring health and happiness. It's an art of mastering the mind. Let's see yogis all around the world.
ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ಯೋಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಜೀವ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಯೋಗ मोलेंगे अंदर मनसिची सवमे
योगा हाम्रो लागि राम्रो हो.
बे योगाया गासैनिबो बिमा बायदि.
योगा مفيدة للجسم ومبنية للعضلات.
요가 쟤는 아닌 알아서 수구를 빼편도 그래서 안 알아서 요가 쟤는 아시네 요가 쟤는 아닌 알아서 수구라 에너지 폼 차이도 아니 요가 쟤는 알아서 수구 탕보다 요가디 지다 요가디 알아서 미 사마고도 나잖아 요가 쟤는 나자디 빼고 메레 야가 편도 그래서 됐어.
그정도 나기민디 두정슬라미 때 요가 찌워치 같이 기주디 내한 대셔 마세 체된 비자마 그정도 요가기 같이 체된 비자마 세 주린 정슬라미 까린체
yoga di ngachilu lalin thawachi zulu phento bomo.
Yoga is technology for spiritual development.
Valeu jarikansi ibili hadisi mbatere rangi hatu na maisha ya hatu na myeshi wa hatu ili wajue winji wa habari harima ensi ya Komoro.
योगा प्र्याक्टिस गऱ्यो भने हाम्रो जिउ र आत्माको लागि शान्ति मिल्छ.
योगादी मचेरा लिगी जोंदर सा छेतो तो ची योगादी जोंदर बेवाची मचेरा लीलू सुखमदी जिंदी बेशासुगी தி 류장치 멤버 மச்சாரா செம்லுயா யோகா தீகி தேவா சின்சுபி.
உடல் உயிர் உள்ளம் இதை மதிப்பது நல்ல குணம். இவற்றை நலம் பெற செய்ய வேண்டும் யோகாசனம்.
Practice yoga daily for a healthy life.
Yoga is a union of mind, body, and soul. It's a unity of inhalation and exhalation. It's a holistic concept of assuring health, happiness, longevity, and it's of conscious evolution. It's for relaxing mind and body, skillful and subtle process to calm down mind. It's all of body movements said to be in control. It's a science of right useness. Yoga is the one and only physical exercise which enhances mind, body, and soul. If you do any kind of physical activity, your body loses energy. Yoga is the one and only physical activity while performing which energy are produced. If you do walking, running, gym activities, everything needs energy. You are losing your protein cells. But yoga is the one and only physical exercise. When performing, it produces energy. If you do yoga, our breath level will be normal, heartbeat and lungs, everything will function properly. Blood circulation will be fine. It's a way of life. True art of living, mother of all sciences, a technology for spiritual development. It's of slow and static movements where muscle tones are normalized, low calorie consumption, low risk of injury, and minimum and relaxed effort. It's an energizing activity, natural and controlled breathing, balanced activity of opposing muscle groups. It's a process oriented, focused on internal awareness, infinite possibilities for growth in self-awareness. But in sports, sympathetic dominance, rapid and forceful movements, increased muscle tension, high calorie consumption, higher risk of injury, maximum intense effort, breathing is taxed, imbalanced activity of opposing muscle group. It's of goal-oriented, focus on external awareness. Boredom factor as there is no higher philosophy or goal than the body. It's the best physical workout accepted by everyone all over the world. So, yoga is the one and only physical exercise recommended by most of the physicians all over the world for any kind of sports activity or gym activities, anything. Even the players who playing for the country team and the office workers, general public, everyone needs yoga dedicated to yogis all over.